Welcome back for another video. Now today I'll be talking about Stream Live Video with your Nest camera or doorbell. It says here on Google Help, straight out of the box, your Google Nest camera or doorbell can stream live video in the Home app or Nest app at no additional cost. Anyway, that was a little video. That was if you have enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment on the video and make sure that you turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Until the next one, see you back here.